I built the Thunderhawk gunship aircraft from StarCraft. This is gonna be from a previous video. That's the back of a previous video. I'm too lazy to edit it since I've already uploaded them. Back box of another previous video. The back of a box of another previous video. But I can't read any of this, by the way. I'ma show you better pictures anyways. Oh, that was perfect. Look at that. Look at that. I could have also brought it closer. So this is the model. Get some of the detailing. You got a bunch of turrets. This is cool. I like they spin. By the way, kinda. They're not locked in place. You kinda have to finagle it, but they're loose. I don't know why they did that. I think they should have had a capability to spin it. Like this Chinook, you can spin it. They should have done that. Oh dang, I really bent it. Oh well, I'll fix it later. It spins really good. Some spins really good. This does not. This is by M4, MU. I don't know the company. So when I build these models with a stand, I typically don't lock them in place. I had a magnet here because they didn't balance the right. I only have one. And I did it for all my aircraft. Because I'm a child and I like to play. But that's what I like to do. This is the underside. I like how they put so much detail on the metal pieces on the underside of it. Photogenic pictures. Well, not pictures since I'm not taking any. Okay.